Picking up pallets, for example, from high bay warehouses, requires a very high degree of precision. Autonomous vehicles require accurate information about where the load carrier to be picked up is located in order to be able to approach it independently and safely. This process is also challenging for a human driver if the load carrier is located at a great height, for example, in a high bay warehouse. The driver's visibility is often poor, meaning he or she has to act very carefully. This means delays can occur in both autonomous and manual processes. The Pallet Pocket Detection SensorApp from SICK enables reliable detection of pallet pockets for a wide range of pallet types. To do so, the app uses the 3D time-of-flight data of the Visionary T AP 3D vision camera and can also be executed directly on the device. The evaluated measurement data can then be used for autonomous control of the vehicle or for driver support. Using time-of-flight technology, the Visionary T AP generates 3D data, thereby detecting the complete room volume. The SensorApp calculates the coordinates relevant for the control based on this information. The SOPAS Air configuration and diagnostic tool provides an intuitive user interface for adjusting the app to customer requirements. The use of a single hardware component which is used for detection enables easy mounting and commissioning of the solution. This also keeps the maintenance requirements minimal, which leads to higher efficiency. The solution is flexible in use and is suited both for controlling autonomous vehicles and for driver assistance. When combined, the Visionary T AP 3D vision camera and the Pallet Pocket Detection app create a reliable app hardware combination. The Pallet Pocket Detection SensorApp ensures reliable detection using intelligent algorithms based on a machine learning approach. SICK AppSpace, engineering framework for your sensor applications. All applications, all technologies, one ecosystem.